Today's tip deals with visual aids. Regardless of what kind of visual aids you choose, remember one thing: they are just that. They are visual aids. You are the presenter, and they are there to help you. You can decide what kind of visual aid you use according to your budget, according to the size of the room and the size of the audience. Of course, we know flip charts and overhead projectors are old school. However, I recently had a dog trainer come to my house, and she used that flip chart really effectively trying to teach my dog not to bark. Wasn't too successful. Anyway, these days mostly we show PowerPoint presentation on a screen or on a tablet. But what is on that tablet? What is on that PowerPoint presentation? As they say, pictures tell 1,000 words. And yes, visuals, whether it's pictures, illustrations, video, multimedia, it's very, very effective. But make sure it does not distract from your presentation. Make sure that you are positioned when you present so that you can see the audience and you can see your visual aids. You have to connect with your presentation, with your PowerPoint or whatever you're using to make sure that the right picture is on the screen. However, make sure that you also connect with your audience, that you don't just read it, marry to it, and leave the audience behind. See you soon with another tip to help you succeed. For more information or to get my handbook, click on the link.